how to find Epic Games email and password. So first what you want to do is just open up the Epic Games website on your browser, then just click on sign in right here. Once you're there, just simply click on I can't sign in option right here. This will bring you right here. So it says please enter Epic Games account email. So if you forgot your password, what you can simply do is just input your email right here, and it will send you like a security code to back up your or recover your password, and it will prompt you to change your password so that you could recover your account. But for some reason that you also forgot your email address and you have no access to that particular email address, so the only thing that you can do is to contact Epic Games support. If you do that, just simply go back to the Epic Games website. So once you're here on the website, just simply click on support right here at the top, then click on accounts. It will bring you right here, then click on accounts again. Then scroll down to the very bottom to the see contact us button, then click on it. And right here, just simply click on I'm unable to log into my account. And here you could also check if you don't know your password, so just simply reset your password right here. But that will require an email. But for you guys that don't know your email, just go here at the bottom. I don't remember which email is linked to my account, then click on search for email right here, and you can also either search this by Epic account display name, Epic account ID, or connected account display name. Say this one, and Epic account display name, simply click on it, and it will say search for email. And as you can see, if you click on search for email, Epic Games will automatically search what email is connected to that particular account. And now you could now get the email and go back to the login page and try to reset your password if you also forgot your password. And that's how you basically find your email and password in Epic Games.